Audio Jungle.
A Zener Diode is a highly doped p-n junction semiconductor designed to operate in the reverse breakdown region. Unlike regular diodes, it allows controlled breakdown, ensuring a stable output voltage despite current variations. It works on the Zener breakdown principle, making it an ideal voltage regulator where ordinary diodes fail. Widely used in power regulation and surge protection, the Zener Diode is a crucial component in precision circuits. Welcome to Zener Virtual Lab. Let's dive into the Zener Diode simulation. Step 1. Setting up the circuit. Head over to the simulation section. Here, you'll see a canvas with various circuit components at the top. Simply tap on any component to place it on the canvas. Now, using the reference circuit, select and position the necessary components to build your Zener Diode circuit. Connections are seamless. Just bring components closer, and they will automatically snap into place node to node. Step Once your circuit is set up, tap on any component and use the slider to set its value. You can customize the values based on your requirements or experiment with different inputs. Step 3. Entering input parameters. Now, let's move to the input section. You'll find input fields where you can enter stepwise values. For example, let's input the following. Input voltage, 0 volt resistor. Value 100 ohm load. Resistor 2500 ohm Zener. Voltage 9.1 volt. Feel free to experiment with different values. Once entered, click the Calculate button and all the results are instantly displayed in the Results section. Step 4. Observing circuit behavior. Take a look at the preview pane above. Notice that no current is flowing. That's because for current to flow, the input voltage must exceed the Zener voltage. Now let's gradually increase the input voltage by 2 volts at a time. Up to 8 volts, no current flows. But at 10 volts, you'll see current flowing through the circuit. Step 5. Recording and plotting data. To analyze circuit behavior, add results to the table by clicking Add to Table. Collect around 8 to 10 values for a detailed graph. Now, scroll down to view the observation table. All recorded values are neatly tabulated. Next, click Plot Graph, and the graph is plotted instantly, showing data points and the saturation region. You can even save or clear the graph as needed. Explore, experiment, and learn. That's all about this dynamic Zener Diode simulation.